Namaste students. खुश रहो बेटिया. I Jivin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic calibration of pH meter. Calibration of pH meter. Firstly, pH meter and use and calibration. Calibration of pH meter belongs to the subject quality assurance for the B Pharm 6th semester students. Now we come to the what is a pH meter, an instrument that measure the H ion concentration of a solution using an ion sensitive electrode which will ideally respond to one specific ion in this case. The pH of solution is the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. A typical modern pH meter has a glass and reference electrode in one tube. How does a pH meter measure H plus concentration? The pH meter has two electrodes in one tube, glass and reference electrode. A saturated KCl and HCl solution is contained in a tube which is inside of an outer tube that will have contact with the solution to be measured. This outer tube has a double glass bulb with sodium with a sodium ion which makes ion on specific electrode. When measuring the pH of a solution, a salt bridge form. A sodium ion, not H plus, crosses the glass membrane of a pH electrode and allow for a change in free energy which is measured by the pH meter as the concentration of H plus ion. Calibrating a pH meter, make sure the meter is in pH mode. For a 3-point calibration, use high pH and pH 7.0 and low 0 solution. Before calibration, rinse probe thoroughly with deionized water or a rinse solution. Immerse the end of the probe completely in the calibration solution. Stir the probe gently to create a homogeneous sample. Measuring the pH of the solution, always rinse electrode with deionized water prior to placing in a solution for pH measurement. Allow meter to stabilize for 30 seconds or a minute, then remove electrodes and rinse with the deionized solution. The pH bulb should always be stored wet, preferably in pH 4.0 buffer with 1 by 100 kCl. Other buffers or tap water can be used for storage. Now we come to the maintenance of pH meter. Wipe off of exterior of pH meter with a damp cloth after use. The outside of the meter is made of polyester and is not affected by most solvent but is affected by some organic solvent. pH, the power of hydrogen. This is a quick method for the determining pH. Litmus paper. Litmus paper is useful to determine the pH of a solution when you do not have a pH meter available. Proper storage of the litmus paper is essentially to maintain quality control. The pH scale, the pH measures the concentration of H plus ion in a solution. The lower the number, the more acidic the solution, the higher the number of the more basic solution. The pH scale and the description is based on the acidity and alkalinity. So this is the complete session for the quality assurance subject of B Pharm 6th semester students. This session powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class on every Tuesday. So thank you students and thank you for the listening.